Do you know where are the main areas to soundproof your car? Watch the video until the end. Main position for sound and vibro insulation. First, arches.
The reason to install here is to insulate tire running noise coming into the car. The material to cover that area is Autofun VDM-M3. Second area is bonnet. The reason to install here is to insulate engine hood vibration. The material to cover that area is Autofun VDM-M3. Third area, door. The reason to install here is first, to reduce noises from door vibration, traffic noise, tire running noise. Second, to improve audio sound performance. We use 4 layers of materials on car doors, which are: first layer, Autofun VDM-M3, vibration damper. Second layer, Autofun SIM A4+, noise insulator. Third layer, Autofun BP10, noise absorber. Fourth layer, black rubber tuber, sealer. Fourth area, car floor soundproofing. We install 2 layers of materials because first, front floor to reduce vibration from wheel arches and floor. Also to reduce noise, high frequency, from floor. Second, rear floor to reduce vibration from floor and to reduce noise, high frequency, from floor. The material to cover that area are: first layer, Autofun VDM-M3, vibration damper. Second layer, Autofun SIM A4+, noise insulator. Fifth area, car trunk soundproofing. We install 2 layers of materials on car trunk to reduce vibration and noise from exhaust. Rattling noise caused by spare tire or tools box also can eliminated after trunk soundproofing. We use 2 layer of material here, which are: first layer, Autofun VDM-M3, vibration damper. Second layer, Autofun SIM A4+, noise insulator. Sixth area, car roof soundproofing. We install 2 layers of materials on car roof to reduce raindrop noise from roof and insulate heat from roof. The material to cover that area are: first layer, Autofun VDM-M2, vibration damper. Second layer, Autofun SIM A4+, noise insulator. Enjoy 5 years warranty for all Autofun materials.
Visit Car Comfort Shop for more info.